What the fuck are you doing? Holy fuck. Maybe you should let the Tesla drive for you. Holy shit.
What the fuck are you fucking doing? Jesus Christ!
What a bunch of idiots. Now they're gonna drag. Wow. Well, what the fuck did you go over that lane in the first place then, dumbass? Oh, because you're gonna race this guy? Yep, there he goes. He's gonna race up the right hand side. What a dick. Well, I got stopped for the light. Why didn't you?
Yeah.
To see why our board has some of the best graduation rates in the province.
That guy just ran a red light.
The school board builds faithful learning communities.
Wow, there's a nice red light. That's a red light you're going through, buddy. Pretty sure you could have got stopped. Holy cow, that guy just went through a red light. Come on. You're welcome. Yeah. Whoa.